Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's just try out to make this model inside Siemens nx12. So let's start the part. I just open the part modeling mode inside the Siemens NX. I have 12 version. Start sketching and choose a proper plane, and I will say OK. Add a corner rectangle like this, and I'll go for the rapid dimensions, or if you don't go, it's better just set up these dimensions, double click on this dimension and set up this one to 96, and this one is 64, and I'll close this and finish the sketch, and I'll go for extrude, choose the sketch and define the thickness 16. I will apply OK. See, you just drag it like this. Okay, again I'll go for sketch and choose a stop line. Okay, and I'll go for a corner rectangle like this and close it up here. And go for repeat dimensions and define this one is 16. I'll close the sketch, finish the sketch and go for extrude and go for extrude, choose the sketch, define the value of 48 and hit OK. Now go for edge bend and define the value at and choose this edge, and I will apply. Double click, change this value to 32 and I will hit OK. Again I will go for sketch, choose this plane and I'll go for a corner rectangle and starting from somewhere here like this, double click on this dimension and keep it 140 and this one also 40, and I'll close this, finish the sketch, go for extrude and select this region, define 28 and I will OK. Click on sketch, choose this face, OK, go for circle and this time I will add a circle, and this one is 20 and this diameter is 24, and I'll close this. I'll just go finish the sketch, go for extrude and go for the extrude and select the sketch and drag it like this, select subtract and I'll hit OK. Select this and go for height, and again I'll go for sketch, choose this top line, OK, and go for a corner rectangle starting from somewhere here like this, and I'll click on this dimension, this becomes 16 and this becomes 20 plus 8, which is 28, and I'll go for the repeat dimension from here till here and define this one is 16, and I'll close this I'll finish the sketch, go for extrude, and select this region. I will just flip the direction and I will subtract it. See? Now I can do one thing. I just hide this and click on this and hide this one also for the bottom one, and I will hide and again Control B. Okay, and I'll go for the round and define 8, use this edge and this edge, and I'll hit OK. See, we can go for the true shading, and here we go. We just off it for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe to this channel.